are pleased to show you the 2020 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, electronic stability control, fog lights, security system, power windows, trip computer, power moonroof, remote keyless entry, tachometer, leather seats, brake assist, overhead console, panic alarm, power driver's seat, front reading lamps. Come see the car for yourself.